Yo. All right, look. The challenge failed. All right. I'm down to $5. I'm barely finding any trades. So the challenge has failed. We failed. We failed. We failed. We failed. Well, let's just say we failed. All right. Come to the conclusion, I am not a good trader. I'm just not. I know all these things. I know how to trade. But I'm not a good trader. Not yet. You could, oh man, you could be a good trader all you want. You still lose money. You don't know how to risk manage. You don't follow your rules. You know. So we gotta figure out what to do, and that's what I spent time doing. So the challenge is done. I'm taking a new approach to the channel. I'm taking a new approach to everything. Here's the approach, okay? Every week I'm adding $20 into the account. We're just going to trade. That's it. We're not gonna have any expectations. We're just gonna trade. We're gonna get better. That's it. We're just gonna get better. And I'm just gonna make videos. We'll just make trading videos. That's it. We're not gonna be challenged, you know. I'm not gonna do like a $100 to $1,000 challenge. Maybe we'll revisit it next time when I'm a lot better. But right now, I am just garbage. I am so bad. Anyways, because I'm gonna be doing this challenge for a whole year. So let's not do that, you know. Let's just come to the conclusion that I'm still super new, even though I've been trading for 2 years now. I'm trading for 2 years now. I'm still not good. Trading is hard. It's so hard. You can, you know, like I said, you can read the charts right. Don't know how to risk manage. Doesn't matter if you can read the charts right. So I've got to develop. I've got to do some things. But anyways, I already put my $20 in my account. Right now we got $25. Okay. We got $25 in the account. I gotta think of some good things to follow with the rules. Per my per my trading style, looks like the rules that I was having, 5% out, 10% market value, you know, close all positions end of day. Looks like that's not really my trading style anymore. I don't really hold positions longer than 30 minutes. I really don't. And I don't really lose more than 1% before getting out. It seems like I'm really able to determine if I'm gonna win or lose within the first two candles. So now I tend to get out if I'm not immediately right, and then I'll just re-enter, right? Because I can always re-enter and save the capital. Holy crap, I'm tired. I can always re-enter and save the capital, right? So, there's not really any rules I'm gonna say that I'm gonna put on myself during this journey anymore. I'm just going to, I'm just gonna manage my business. I think that there are gonna be circumstances where I'm gonna have to do things that are out of pocket. I think so. In order to save my business. I think there's just gonna be days that, there's gonna be a trade. It's so unfathomably, it's ready to go. And it's gonna be over 10% of the market value, and be like, you know what? Like I said, screw the rules. So I'm not gonna put any rules in my trading. I'm just gonna we're just gonna see how this goes for now. Maybe I do end up making rules again or whatever, blah blah blah. But as of right now, I'm adding $20 every single week into the account. Only goal is to learn and get better in the markets, and understand fundamental things. Greed keeps you in, pain gets you out. I can always re-enter, stuff like that. Anyways, let's look for a trade. And I've been really good at understanding that there's not always trades for me, right? No matter how much I want there to always be trades, there's just not always trades. So I've really been taking like 3 trades a day. I take one in the morning, and then sometimes I take one at lunch, and then I might take one later in the day at like 5:30 to 6:30. But that time is usually like, there's almost never trades at that time for me. And as you see, I'm saying for me, for my strategy, right? Anyways, let's look at what we got going on. IMMX here. This is looking okay. I've gotten pretty good at reading volume now. I'm not going to say pretty good. I can read volume because I am not pretty good at anything right now. I'm so new still, and I've got to come to terms with that. Okay. So I can read volume now, and I can see kind of the direction the stock wants to go by reading the volume. So I'm starting to learn with that. I'm in there at 736 on this trade, IMMX. Waiting for this candle to show a little bit higher volume, and it's green, and then I'll add another. So we had higher volume and it's red. If this candle starts to go, yep. I'll be looking to get out here in just a second. That's good. So at this point, I'm not really using any indicators. I'm just using price and volume. That's really all I'm using. I barely use the order books anymore. I'm really just using price and volume. That's just the way I trade now, I guess. I mean, it seems like it's really working for me. Okay, so yeah, green volume's kind of moving up. I'm gonna add another one. Now this red candle shouldn't be higher than the previous red candle. I mean, than the previous red volume. This one should be low because buyers are going to be in control. So if I'm right, and we're going to see a green bar showing higher, if it's not this one, it should be the next one. Or you know, if the volume's pretty low, it'll move out. But the whole goal here is that the red volume bars are decreasing and the green volume bars are increasing. That's the whole goal here. That's green. And really, we don't want the green volume to just jump real hard. I almost, okay. Red volume starting to increase. Well, no, it's actually decreasing more or less because let's say that was one of the big red volume bars. You know how this one was a big one, this one was a big one, this one was a big one. So if this one was also a big one, it's actually still decreasing. So I'm okay with that. But this one has to be green now. If this one has a higher red volume bar, I'm just gonna get out for right now. Low volume on a green candle there, so that's good. What I want to see now, I want to see this candle also giving me low volume, but it's a little bit higher. And that'll tell me that we should be starting to see a run. It'll be ready to make a leg up, you know. I don't think it's going to go much higher. I think it's going to go to like 770 maybe. Good. I just want to see the volume increase a little bit. I'm actually going to put in one more there. There we go. And I'm going to get ready to sell them all. That volume is actually too much for it to do a crazy move. So I'm actually going to get ready to sell them all here. Sell them. And we'll just take that one there. Just get out. There we go. There's 80 cents profit. So volume is increasing right now. That might be good. I'm gonna put one. See if I can get one at 760. Couldn't get it if it hit. Okay, I got it. So we'll just see. We'll just have the one. Just so we're in the play. If we win, if we lose, we'll just hop out. I'll just put my stop at like 7. I'll put my stop at 740. I'm willing to take 10-cent loss or 20-cent loss. I'm willing to take 20 cent to make, you know, a little more. Yes, volume should come up right now. Adding another. Waiting for volume to just almost kind of just reach the top. I don't know if it's gonna go higher, but I think it's definitely gonna reach the top. Then I'm looking to get out. I look to get out there. Why is it not working? We'll have to fix that. 790. We'll exit there. Okay. I gotta fix my sell the ask. Hold on. I don't know why it's not working. Gotta do trade. Active trade settings. Sell the ask. Yeah. Shift E. ERWD is, yeah. That's right. Okay. That's probably extended now. I'm not gonna touch that anymore. I'll wait for a rebound. Let's see if there's anything else right now. IMRN, if it is trending up, this is the bounce, you know. That trend line's kind of, you know, you can see that without the trend line. But what it almost looks like, it's not gonna bounce. It's not gonna really do much right now. So I'll wait for confirmation on MRN. IMRN. I'll wait for more confirmation here. There's no reason to just hop in right now and only make like, you know, 10 cents. I mean, unless it shoots up. That's the thing. So I really want to see what the volume does. If it starts moving hard on low volume, then I'm gonna want to get in, but my theory is it's not. Let's see, where did it run for? Yeah. So I might want to wait for. Yeah, I mean, I kind of know what to look for. Yeah, I kind of know what to look for. So let's see. We'll see what it does. What does it look like on the? There's the 1. There's the 5. There's the 30. It still might be going down. Unless it just rejects hard right now and, you know, it just booms right back up. So it actually looks like it has to reject hard right now. Otherwise it's toast. So let's watch it. Maybe it'll reject hard, who knows? But I'm going back to IMMX. I'm just gonna watch the price in 420. I want to see it kind of jump all the way to like 430. If it jumps to 430, then I'm a look at it. But as of right now, IMMX is a better deal going on. We'll wait for volume again here for some confirmation. Yeah, but I mean, the thing is that I can make money. That's not the problem. I know I can make money, but remembering to exit trades and don't fall asleep, remembering to exit trades when you're going to do work or something, remember to exit trade, you know, that's the part that gets you, those parts, because you can make money all you want, but if you make $1 and then somehow something happens, you lose $3, it does not matter how good you are at reading charts. You're just done. You're just bad. You're gonna lose money. So that's the hard part with me, is I know how to read these charts. I know how to do all this stuff, but I'm just not disciplined enough yet in the markets, you know? And so I have to trade when I'm here. I'm ready to go. I can't just leave it. That's the thing with me. I can't just leave it. So I gotta be here, I gotta be active, I gotta be, you know, hey. Otherwise, that's it. Alright. So volume should be popping off here. I wanna see, you know, slightly bigger green, but I wanna see low volume really. I don't wanna see too big a volume. But yeah, that's what I wanna see, like that. So I must see, the volume bar isn't really changing much. That's kind of what I want to see. I'm gonna take one there at the bid. Yeah, the volume is increasing, so that's good. We might be seeing a nice run here. That's the kind of volume I want to see, really. I want to see it slowly increasing. That's gonna tell me that we could be getting ready for one of those big candles, you know, one of those big run candles. I like those. Okay, I'm gonna get in there at the ask. Yeah, low volume on a red candle, so that's good. Could see a shoot up. Definitely could see a shoot up. Still low volume right now on red candle. See, I'm not too worried about what the price is doing. I want the price can jump up or down. I'm watching the volume. I'm making sure it's not increasing on a red or increasing, somewhere I don't want it to be. Yeah. So it did increase there. Um that's kind of bad news. It's ejecting off that bottom there. So let's see what it does. Yes, that's painful right there. Where are we right now? Yeah, so it should have gotten out when that volume was. It showed a little more increase on the red side. I definitely should have gotten out there, but that's okay. It's probably gonna head back to the top one time. So I'm gonna look to add one at a real low here, and then I'll have to sit here and wait and wiggle myself out to break even on this one. We'll just wait. Yeah, it looks like it might be at some kind of resistance there or support. So this could probably be the time to buy in. So I might want to make sure that it doesn't break support. Which I don't know if it will. It looks like it's gonna head back up to the top. It's all about breaking even now. I'm not even worried about a profit. I'm just worried about getting out close to break even. just really waiting right now. I'm just waiting to see what it does. I don't want to add one right now in the case that it goes against me still, in the case that it still drops down. Chances are it's not going to, but you know, I don't want to lose more money if I don't have to, so I'm gonna wait for confirmation that it's gonna reverse. I'll add one then, and then try and get out for break even, close to break even. Still waiting here. I know I'm not talking, I'm just daydreaming and waiting for confirmation. That's confirmation I'm in. Now we're trying to get out for break even. So just for grins, if it shoots up, I'm gonna sell 3 at 770, and I'm gonna have this be like my, you know, if it doesn't, I can immediately drag it down and sell all of them and get out. Something I like about Weeble is there, you know, you can just click and drag your orders. Yeah, super low volume on that red candle there. So that tells me that it's, you know, we're confirmed, we're moving. So I'm not worried about it now. I'm just worried about how far we're gonna move. It's probably gonna double top. So I can get out for profit, but I'm not risking it. I'm already down too much. So I'm gonna try and get out for break even or better. Thankfully, I waited to add, you know, add confirmation instead of adding, you know, I don't know, instead of adding when I wasn't sure. That's a bad habit to get into. I've done that before, and I could have really reduced my average. Like this candle is either gonna make or break if it's moving. Come on. Yeah, so IMRN didn't really head back up, you know. We thought it was gonna go, you know, it did go up to 423, but not what I was expecting right now. So that's okay. We're still waiting on this anyways. All right, we're good. We got a bunch of orders coming in on the buys. Scared me a little bit for a second. I was scared there. I was like, oh shit, it's going back down. But we're good. It really sucks to get so attached, you know, that you sell at the bottom here. And there's been many times I've done that, but sometimes I won't do that. Is when I'm thinking logically. I'm like, look, it's going to reverse. You're just gonna have to wait. And a lot of times we don't want to wait. A lot of times we're just, you know, we think that there's better stuff out there. We just don't want to wait, and probably best to wait. Probably best. Unless, you know, you're just down so much, like the stock just keeps going down, and you're just like, well, what the hell, you know? Then yeah, you probably should have sold that. Oh man. Where's the volume? Come on. I don't like that. I don't like what the candle's doing. But I am going to set my stop below this rejection here. So 684 hits 6. If it passes 684, I'm out for sure. No question. I'll take the loss. But it could do a fake out. So I'm willing to take the bigger loss if it means that I can break even. I'm willing to take it. 684 is my out, or below 684. We got orders coming in now. There we go. Finally some volume. So let's see that all the way up. And this will be the last trade for sure. I will be done after whatever happens. If once we exit this trade, whether it's losing or winning, I'll be done. Where's the volume? There it is. There's the volume. All right, so let's pray we get out somewhere close to my target. I think we will. Oh, it's rejecting now nicely, so that's good. Below 784 is my out. I mean 684. Just daydreaming right now. Waiting for this thing, cause oh man, it hurts. IMRN is still kind of, oh, it's finally doing something, but it'd probably be a good idea to get in now. That's okay. We're waiting on our reversal right now on IMMX. Let's check the. Yeah, everything looks good. Looks good. Looks like we're ready to reverse, so that's okay. Let's do it. Yeah, so if you can tell, I'm trading pre-market right now. I'm gonna be done here in about 5 minutes. The market opens in 35 minutes. So I'm no longer able to catch market over right now. I'm actually building houses with my girlfriend's dad. We're doing like renovations and we're doing framing and stuff like that. Um, so right now I'm not gonna be able to just be 100% in the market, which I think it's good because there's not always an opportunity for me. It's gonna, there's certain times of the day that seems like I like to trade the markets, and that's the times that it's available for me right now. So I'm able to have a good job, learn a lot of stuff, and I'm able to trade the markets. It's perfect, you know. So I'm really enjoying what's going on right now. And if I can just keep doing the videos like this, if I can keep doing the videos like this, I'd like to. I would like to keep doing the videos like this, just 1 hour videos or whatever. Just showing how the trades are playing out, you know, showing me trade, explaining what I'm doing. Because a lot of it's documentation for my own self. I want to see how I did, what I'm thinking. So it's good. It's good to show the trades and everything and look back and watch because then you see where you mess up. Other people can see where you mess up. You know, leave it in the comments if you see where I mess up. Come on, screaming at this thing. Looking at the temperature right now. It's been pretty cold here in Texas the past week or so. It's been nippy. So really wondering if we're gonna see a bull run right now because it seems like we could be trapping bears. I'm not sure. I don't know. I just know that I have to leave in like 2 minutes. I have to start getting ready. It's trying. There's my alarm. All right, video's over. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna be monitoring this trade and making sure it doesn't turn south on me. But I'm gonna end the video, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's what? Wednesday, right? No, tomorrow's Thursday. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. We'll just keep doing videos like this. We're not gonna expect $1,000 from $100. I'm not there yet. Okay. I just totally blew my account. That's so crazy. If you guys didn't know stats, 90% of traders, that means like people that trade intraday, people that even like weekly trades, 90% of short-term traders lose 90% of their money, of their account, the first 90 days. Okay, the triple 90 rule. If you're not aware of that rule, it's a rule. Day trading is extremely risky. You have to know what you're doing. You have to be emotionally stable. You have to read markets right. And it's very true. The triple 90 rule is very true. As you can see, started at $100. I lost what? 95% of my money, right? So I'm just gonna treat this like a savings account. Now I'm just gonna add 20, add 20, add 20, and so I can only lose a certain amount each week, really. And we're just gonna go from there. We're gonna see the account build, and hopefully I make better videos. Hopefully I'm able to start making better videos, and hopefully they become very informative and they're nice to watch. Okay, and funny. I want to make funny videos. I know some of them are not funny. They're just boring. But hopefully we get there. Anyways, all right. Peace out. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.